Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to take down your cornrow to avoid excess breakage. So guys, I used my sister as a model in this video and she was so happy after I took down her cornrows because she saw that the hair breakage was minimal compared to when she visits the salon to take down her hair. So guys, this is the amount of hair my sister lost. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by and let's just jump right into the video. So guys, this is my sister. She visited and I decided to give her a treat. She was so happy when I said, okay, you know what, come let me take care of your hair. Let's continue. So for the mixture, I'll be using conditioner and water to take down our hair. This is because it is so wrong to take down your natural hair when it is dry. Do not be tempted to take down your hair when it is dry because you're going to experience so much breakage. This is my second best recipe for taking down braids after the flaxseed recipe. I'm going to just drop the link in the description and the card up there. It's also very easy to prepare. But for this video, I'm making use of conditioner and water because it works good as well. Yeah. So I'm going to first of all saturate our hair with this. Oh, sorry, my baby. She's my younger sister, guys. So after I'm just going to spritz our hair with this conditioner and water and make sure I squeeze that in. Make sure you squeeze it in because natural hair most times is low porosity, and for any product to penetrate, it takes a lot of time. The next thing I'm going to do is to apply oil because oil helps to make it a bit slippery and easier to take down. The point I'm trying to make is please do not try to take down your hair when it is dry. You are going to experience so much breakage. So I went ahead to apply as much oil as needed. Also, when applying the oil, make sure you squeeze it in as much as possible so that it penetrates the hair shaft. And our hairdresser did a very good job by not braiding her hair till the end. It actually made the job very easy for me. So to safely take down her cornrows, I'll be starting from the ends of her hair. Please guys, do not start from anywhere other than the ends of your hair when you are taking down any hairstyle at all. Even when you are taking down your twist, when you are taking down your braids, make sure you start from the tips of your hair, because if you start from anywhere other than the tips of your hair, it's just going to leave a knot at the end of your hair that you might need to cut off later, and that is you losing length. And what you are looking for is length retention. So please start from the ends of your hair to avoid breakage. If at any point you find it hard to use your fingers to take down cornrows, because I prefer using fingers as this leads to low or minimal breakage, please go ahead to use a rat tail comb to work it down step by step. Ensure you don't skip any line at all. Make sure you take down the cornrows step by step to avoid breakage as much as possible. So guys, I got tired of using my fingers and I had to make use of the rat tail comb, and I did this very carefully to avoid any form of knotting. As you can see, I used the rat tail comb to make it easy to remove a step, and then I use the rest of my hand to work it all the way through. So avoid using the rat tail comb to entirely take down the braid. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but please, I'm sure if you watch the video, you understand what I'm saying. So as I carefully take down the cornrows from the tips of her hair or the ends of her hair, I make sure I use my hand to detangle her hair as I'm taking down the cornrow. So the goal here is to avoid breakage as much as possible. At a point, her hair was getting dry again, so I had to go back and spritz her hair. Feel free to spritz your hair as many times as possible. This is just to ensure that you don't take down your hair in a dry state. After taking down about 2 cornrows, I'll be twisting this up. This is to avoid any form of shrinkage. So before I twist that back up, I'm going to first of all use my fingers to detangle her hair. Please do not go straight into the comb. No, please use your fingers first to detangle the hair, because the fingers help to make detangling very easy, and it also helps to reduce the amount of breakage. After making use of your fingers, then you can go ahead to use a wide tooth comb, as wide as possible, and please start the detangling from the ends of the hair and not the middle of the hair or the roots of the hair. You start first by detangling from the ends of the hair and not the middle of the hair or the roots of the hair. You start first by combing or detangling the ends of the hair, you move to the middle, and then you go all the way up to the roots. After doing this, I'm going to twist that section up. Another step about taking down your natural hair is, please do not take down everything and later you start looking for how to sort your hair out. Make sure you take down your hair, will I say, section by section. We went off camera and took down the rest of her hair, and the amount of hair she lost is about the normal amount of hair that should be lost in a month. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video, and I'm going to see you on my next one. For now guys, bye.